Indian curries and street snacks are a true culinary delight worldwide now. Spices and sauces blend in an intricate dance of flavors and aromas always. The spice route is a historic trade path that brought exotic spices here. Indian kitchens rely on blooming spices in oil to release their essence slowly. Onions and tomatoes are sautéed to create a rich curry sauce base always. Naan bread is torn to scoop up the flavorful sauce and spices perfectly. Samosas are fried until crispy and served with a side of tangy chutney. Street food stalls in India offer a wide variety of regional specialties daily. Each region has its unique spice blend and cooking technique to showcase. Indian curry is a popular dish made with a complex blend of spices and herbs. Layered sauces and spices come together to create a deep flavor profile always. From street stalls to curry restaurants, the aroma of spices fills the air. Indian curries vary greatly from region to region in terms of flavor. Spices blooming in oil create a rich aroma that fills the air. Naan bread is often served with curries to soak up the flavorful sauce. Onions and tomatoes are sautéed to create a base for the curry sauce. Cilantro is added as a garnish to give the dish a fresh flavor. Street food stalls offer a wide variety of curries and snacks to try. Samosas are fried to a crispy perfection and served with a side of chutney. Regional ingredients and spices give each curry its unique taste. Curry restaurants often have their own secret blend of spices and sauces. Layered sauces are built up over time to create a deep flavor profile. Indian kitchens are filled with the sound of sizzling spices and sauces. From spicy to mild, there's a curry to suit every taste and preference. Indian street food stalls sizzle with spices and sauces every day. Vendors expertly bloom spices in oil to create aromatic curry bases. Samosas are filled with spiced onions and tomatoes, then fried to perfection. Naan bread is torn and served with rich, layered curry sauces. Regional varieties of curry showcase unique spice blends and ingredients. Street food stalls offer a wide range of snacks, from spicy to mild options. Cilantro is a common garnish, adding freshness to many Indian dishes. Indian kitchens and street stalls rely on high-quality ingredients and spices. Curry sauces are carefully stirred and simmered to develop complex flavors. Sizzling sounds and aromas fill the air at busy street food stalls. Naan bread is often served with a variety of curries and sauces to dip. Indian curry and street snacks are a true culinary delight, full of flavor. In Indian kitchens, spices bloom in oil to create aromatic layers. Curry sauce is crafted with onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices. Naan bread is torn to dip into the flavorful sauce and savor. Samosas are fried to a crispy perfection, filled with spiced potatoes. Street food stalls offer a variety of regional curries and snacks. Each region in India has its own unique curry sauce recipe. Layering sauces is an art form, requiring patience and practice. Cilantro is added as a garnish to add freshness to the dish. Indian curry is a delicate balance of spices, oil, and acidity. Naan is served hot, straight from the tandoor oven, to enjoy. Samosas are a popular street snack, often served with a side of chutney. Indian curries and street snacks are a true reflection of the country's rich culture. In Indian kitchens, naan bread is a staple accompaniment to curries. Skilled bakers carefully shape the dough into perfect naan rounds. The ancient tradition of naan making is a revered art form. Layers of butter and spices are added to the dough for flavor. Naan is typically baked in a tandoor oven to achieve its signature crust. The aroma of freshly baked naan wafts through the streets of India. Street food stalls often serve naan with a variety of curries and chutneys. Samosas are also a popular pairing with naan and curry sauce. The combination of crispy samosas and soft naan is a match made perfect. In curry restaurants, naan is used to scoop up rich and layered sauces. The spices in Indian curries bloom in oil, releasing a fragrant aroma. The delicate balance of spices and sauces is what makes Indian cuisine so unique. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.